I listen to the sounds that I hear around me, this neighborhood. While I dream of having a place where all I hear is nature, I actually really love for now hearing life around me, other humans experiencing their day. There's a lot of freaking leaf blowing around here. A lot of that noise, which is not my favorite, but it serves a purpose in my sensory system for now, right? If I choose, instead of feeling irritated by it, to think about what else it kind of maybe sounds like that is in nature. Maybe I decide to think about it vacuuming out or blowing out the cobwebs that are stuck in my head or under my brain couch. Think about the dust bunnies I'm gathering up as I move along this path back and forth, swinging north to south in my own little cradle, my swing. I'm really excited about the plans Matt and I have to build a little house at the end of this path where a doorway will step inside of what will be a small greenhouse slash sit outside in yet another private, quiet space to be with yourself. Up here, this end of the pendulum path also leads to this path. With a couple zero gravity chairs and an Adirondack, which sits underneath this glorious maple tree, which I cannot believe how much it has grown. There's still remnants of the robin's nest from a couple years ago in there. Let's see if we have any friends up in here today. Last time I looked, there was an awesome frog. I kind of think those guys might be headed for the dirt at this point.